Today is an incredible day. The industrial world is in the midst of transformation, and never before has the pace of innovation moved so rapidly. The digital future of industry is no longer some far-flung promise. Today's products are becoming smarter, more personalized. They're becoming intricate systems of systems, challenging you to harness layers of complexity and data, blurring the boundaries between physical and digital domains, and comprehensive digital twins that represent and validate what is possible are not optional. They're required because they allow you to find new levels of efficiency and performance that are hardly imaginable. New insights, new opportunities, new levels of automation at every point of the value chain. This value chain, this digital enterprise, is where engineering meets tomorrow. It's where manufacturing meets tomorrow. It's where electronic design meets tomorrow. These aren't the promises of tomorrow. With Siemens Digital Industries Software, they're the opportunities of today. Siemens Digital Industries Software, where today meets tomorrow.